Hey, and welcome to an Ampro design tutorial on how to add a product, change a product, and change the color of your chosen product in the Ampro Design Studio. An easy way to get started is to find the Design Studio tab at the top of the Ampro Go homepage. As you see, when you click on the Design Studio tab, a drop-down menu will appear. And the first button is what we're going to start with, the Start a Design tab. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And this will bring us to the Design Studio online ordering system. We will go over what this area is all about in a later tutorial, but for now, we are going to want to click on the Open in New Window tab to start learning the basics of designing your own t-shirt. So upon clicking the Open in New Window tab, a second window will appear. And once your browser loads the new window, we're going to take a quick glance at what is included within the Design Studio itself. So what we're going to be going over today is the Change a Product tab up top, and right below that we have the Change Product Color tab. Everything else we're going to be going over in a later tutorial. So when we click Change Product tab, the default product that shows up is a ladies 100% cotton v-neck t-shirt. And if you have something else in mind, at the top we have a search bar where you can search by item number, color, or brands right here. If you're not sure what you're going to look for specifically, we have created a product category menu where you can choose any item by its design right here. So what we're going to go with is the Hammer 6-ounce t-shirt. And from here we can see the multiple colors that are featured and the details that go along with the t-shirt. So what we're going to do is select the product, and we'll see it change right in front of us. If the color that appears for you is not something that you wanted to go with, we can go right over to the left where there's a Change Product Color tab. We're going to go ahead and click that. And from here we can see all the colors that are associated with this t-shirt. So what we're going to choose is the Island Reef color. And we should see the template change right in front of us. So with that in mind, don't hesitate to shop around for a color or design and explore the thousands of options that we offer.